Welcome to the HONAMA Dynamic Pricing App. Using our app is simple and hassle-free. Let's guide you through the setup process. Start by clicking the Install button in the Shopify App Store. Take a moment to review the permissions required by the app, and then click Install to proceed. Once installed, you'll land on the app's main page. This is your central hub for managing your subscription, adjusting settings, and keeping track of the app's activities. At the top, you'll notice the Status section. Next to the status title, you can see three possible statuses: deactivated, which means the app is inactive because you haven't subscribed yet; verifying, which means the app is checking your subscription; and activated, which indicates that your subscription is active. Before activation, set up your product listings. Navigate to the Products page and open a product for editing. Locate the Cost per Item field. Set the value, and save the product listing. Repeat this step for all products without this field set. Return to the HONAMA Dynamic Pricing application to activate the app. Scroll down to the subscription section. First, review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Then, enter the number of products in your store. Check the box to accept the terms. Once you do, the pricing information will appear automatically. When you're ready, click the Subscribe button. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the subscription approval page. Review the pricing details carefully and click Approve. Once approved, you'll be taken back to the main page. The app will verify your subscription, and the status section will display activated. You'll also see a message confirming your product prices will update within the hour. As your store grows, you can update the product count to see the new price. Simply follow the subscription steps again, starting with the Subscribe button. Next, let's configure your update preferences. In the Settings section, you can choose how often product prices are updated, hourly or daily. We strongly recommend hourly updates to maximize your pricing advantage. Make your selection, and don't forget to click the Save button to confirm your settings. Need to pause or stop dynamic pricing? The Restore section has you covered. Here, you can safely revert your prices back to their original values with no data loss. Important: if you're planning to uninstall the app, be sure to complete this step first. Only the prices modified by the app will be restored. If you manually changed a price that was already adjusted by the app, it will revert to its original value. To reset your prices, just click the Restore and Disable button. Whenever you're ready to resume dynamic pricing, simply click the Enable Dynamic Pricing button. After an hour, check the Status section. You'll see a message showing how many price updates have occurred and the timestamp of the most recent update. And that's it. You can now sit back and relax while the HONAMA Dynamic Pricing app does the work for you. Thank you for choosing HONAMA. We're here to make pricing simple and effective for your business.